In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Geometry Dash from Steam. First, open the Steam app on your computer and sign into your account. If you're brand new to Steam, click Join Steam to create a free account. Follow the prompts and pick a strong, unique password you'll remember. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access your store, library, and other features. Head to the Store tab at the top of Steam. In the search bar, type Geometry Dash. In the results, select the official game page. You can confirm you're on the right page by checking that it's the recognized entry with the app ID 322170. Sticking to the official page helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you get the genuine game. On the store page, take a moment to review what you're buying. Look through the description, system requirements, and user reviews so you know what to expect. When you're ready, click Add to Cart on the right side of the page. Steam will show a confirmation that the game was added to your cart. Next, click View My Cart. You'll see Geometry Dash listed with the price. Choose Purchase for Myself to add the game directly to your account. Pick a payment method, such as a credit card, PayPal, or available wallet funds, and enter the required billing details. Double-check everything is correct, then confirm your purchase. Depending on your region, taxes may appear at checkout. When the payment goes through, you'll see a success message, and Steam may offer a quick link to install right away. If you don't install immediately, go to your library at the top of Steam. Find Geometry Dash in the list on the left. Click it, then hit Install. Choose where you want the game to live on your computer if you have multiple drives, and confirm. Steam will start downloading the files. Geometry Dash is relatively small, so the download should be fairly quick on most connections. You can watch the progress bar and see the estimated time remaining. When the download finishes, the install button changes to play. Click play to launch the game. From now on, you can start it directly from your library, and Steam can also create a desktop shortcut if you prefer. If you ever run into issues launching, right-click the game in your library, select Properties, and check Installed Files to verify the game files. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.